guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Black Friday haul. This is a long-awaited video. I usually do these every year, but I honestly waited so long to film this one because I just got my last package in the mail today, so I'm filming this the soonest I can. I did go in store for a lot of the items, but I would say a majority was from online, so I had to wait for all those packages to get delivered. So I'm going to start with the package that I was waiting for, which is Hollister. I literally haven't even opened this yet. From Hollister, I just got two types of jeans. I honestly have a lot of jeans. I just needed a new pair of black ripped high-waisted jeans, which is what these are, which were $25. And also I needed another pair of medium wash ripped ones, which are also high-rise. Next is Victoria's Secret. I also didn't open this, and this one did come today as well. I just got a new bra collection. I just needed new ones. I needed a bigger size and also just a different style that I wanted to try. I saw it in the store and they didn't have my size, so I just ordered the colors that I wanted online and they got delivered today. But from Victoria's Secret, I got the new Love Cloud bras. These are literally so soft. They're seamless on the side, so there's no like hard bands like the pink ones usually have, which are what I have now. They're stretchy, they're very thin and airy. I got that in a white color, a nude color, a black color, and also a cheetah color, which this is like literally the cutest print of cheetah. These bras are original $50 each, and I got them for $30. The sale wasn't the best, but like I said, I just needed an up in size and just a better bra collection, so I just decided to go for it while they were on sale. Victoria's Secret's kind of stingy with their sales, so I had to take the opportunity when it came. But they also gave me, because I spent over $100, a free puffer tote, which is a really pretty like metallic almost emerald green color, and it's like a puffy tote. I personally am not ever going to use this. I'm probably going to gift this to a friend who I know will love. It's an original $60 value bag. It's cute, just not in my color palette. From Gymshark, I ordered just a couple of things. I already have like all the basics from Gymshark that I love. I think Gymshark's sale was like 30 or 40% off everything. Might have been a little more or a little less. I'm not 100% sure, but I got this really cute army green tank top. Now, I know I just got done telling you that green isn't in my color palette, but the gym is the only time I will wear like colors. I think pops of colors at the gym is really cute, especially with like a sports bra peeking through like a white top or black top. And I bet you guys can never guess, I actually really love camo. I know it doesn't really look it. I would never wear camo out to like dress up or like on the daily, but I think it is really cute. This is definitely going to be very comfy for the gym. It seems like really flexible. So I also got a pair of green camo leggings. This was their seamless kind, which are the colors that I have now and I love. I also just realized that it comes with like a scrunch on the back. It doesn't even look like it'd be in the right place. Hopefully these fit nice. I went a size up because the leggings and shorts I have now are a little too tight. They still fit, but definitely a little bit more on the uncomfortable side. And also just a plain black pair of Gymshark leggings. I was lacking a basic black pair of Gymshark leggings in my collection because they never freaking go on sale. This isn't even the seamless ones that I love. They are still seamless, but they're a different style of seamless that I've never tried before, so hopefully I end up liking the fit. But yeah, the regular black seamless ones that I love don't ever go on sale. They didn't last year and they didn't this year. But these have like breathable holes like all throughout the leggings, which I think could look cute, but it also could look super weird, so I took a gamble on these. Hopefully I like them. The next item is definitely the most expensive item in this haul. This is a iPad Air. It's the 5th generation. It's 256 gigabytes and it is the silver color. Because of the Apple Pencil, it makes it really convenient to like draw out my schedules and stuff, like you guys probably seen on TikTok. That's what I was personally inspired by. I got this case from Amazon. I'm not completely sure how much. It wasn't part of the Black Friday things, but yeah, it's really nice and convenient to just sit up on my desk. I can watch videos on it as well. These next items are from Hollister as well, but I bought these in store. The jeans, since they didn't have the ones I wanted in store, I had to get them shipped obviously. But first up are these really soft, comfortable pink, stretchy yoga pants. I didn't even realize when I bought these, but they are sleeping pants. I wear these out. They're not pajama looking, but they're pajama feeling. They're as comfortable as loungewear. Let me just say, if you were to buy anything from this haul, make it be these pants because they are so flattering. They're so comfortable, so soft. I could actually live in these pants. I got these in pink and also gray. I wish they had more colors. I literally would buy one in every single color, like a black, a white. They also had a really good Black Friday deal going on. All of their basic like hoodie and sweatpants were $20. I got a plain black hoodie. I love the basics, you guys know this, and a plain white hoodie. I also got a pink one, which is in the wash right now because I wore it the day that we were shopping. I put it on because it was super cold and I stained it, so. And I got these in extra small as well, and they are a little oversized. They did have a gray color, however, I didn't really like how it was like a pearl heather gray, like it wasn't just like a flat gray color. Next was Ulta. This year I was more for like self-care, like perfumes and skincare, hair tools, stuff like that. So right when I walked in, they had these like perfume samplers right in front. They had like 4 different kinds. I got 2 of them for me. I also got 2 of them for a friend, and they had a men's one which I got for my boyfriend as well, which was like a sampler of all the men's like high-end perfumes. And here's a $57 value. It was marked down to $30 and it was on sale for half off, so I got it for $15, which is so good because there's perfumes in here like Valentino, Versace, Givenchy, Marc Jacobs, all that. But I'm not gonna lie, they really had me with this packaging. I thought I was gonna open this and it was gonna be like these cute little like mini travel packaging as like the regular bottles, but they're just the regular like travel vials. So here's all the perfumes that's in this box, and they are all listed on the back here. And this has all of these perfumes in it, which are also listed on the back. But I also got a palette. This is the 35T palette, and it has the prettiest colors in it, like more pinky tones, not really neutral, but I have so many neutral palettes, I didn't really need another one. So here's for if I wanted to ever dip into color. I also got a lot of mascaras. I got the Lash Princess Volume Mascara, the same one in the Curl and Volume Mascara. I absolutely love the wand on this one. I think hourglass shaped mascaras are the best. I also got the Benefit Roller Lash, which the wand on this one is definitely more hard and stiff. I also got these two. You guys know I love this one in particular. I'm pretty sure this one's just the same thing but waterproof. The Essence Double Trouble Mascara. Haven't tried this one yet, but it has that same kind of hourglass wand. It's a little bit more subtle. And then the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, which is my new all-time favorite. If you guys can't tell by the wand, it is literally the best mascara for curl, volume, definition, everything. You guys already know I went to Marshall's, but I didn't just go to Marshall's. I went to the jewelry section because they were having actual Black Friday deals. Usually Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, all those types of stores don't really have sales or deals going on because like it's already like a marked down store, but their whole jewelry counter was on sale. I have a couple new piercings since you guys have seen, so I'm also going to be filming a piercing tour and also a piercing Q&A because I get a lot of questions on the jewelry, where I get my jewelry, how to clean them, the pain, all that. So I'm really excited to make that video when I have the ones that I have healed. The first item are these really cute hoop earrings. They're super thin. They also have a little bit of a sparkle to them. You can never go wrong with Marshall's or TJ Maxx's jewelry. These are the medium-sized hoops I got, which is honestly the same price as the last ones, $10. And then these are the third and biggest size I got. They're definitely not the largest hoops, but I don't really like large hoops anymore. Here's a full comparison of all 3 sizes next to each other. The next thing I got was this super pretty necklace. I love longer necklaces like this, but this is just like a round bar and it has like gems in the middle. It's so pretty. And then the last thing I got was another pair of hoops, but this was along with this set, so they were like together in a collection. These are like full rhinestone hoops. These are more like everyday wear for me. I know they look a lot more dressy and dramatic, but honestly, with all I have going on my ears, it's always dressy and dramatic. Not to mention the biggest thing I got, which I literally forgot about. It has a crazy story behind it. I don't know how I forgot about it when it's sitting literally right here, but I got a 65-inch TV. I have a 65-inch in my bedroom. It's the same brand, and this year I was on the hunt for it because I wanted to get another one for my closet room, which if you guys can see right here, my dad hung it up a couple days ago. I searched to the ends of the earth for this TV. I went to Walmart on Black Friday at like 6 a.m. and it was all sold out at my local Walmart. So this one was the only one left in Pennsylvania, and it was an hour and a half away. I even ordered one in Maryland for pickup, because I was that desperate and I was gonna drive to Maryland until I saw this one was closer. And then I just have a couple of other makeup items from like random makeup websites like e.l.f., Morphe. From e.l.f. I got the full pack of liquid eyeshadows, and I'm just gonna be saying a couple of random items from this box. I got 3 of their precision liquid eyeliners from e.l.f. I got 3 of their brow pencils as well. Their retractable like pencil eyeliner, which I absolutely love for the waterline. Their baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls, love this one as well. That was all from e.l.f. And then from Morphe I got the 9P palette. This I got online, which is why it shipped with this box. I got a liquid liner from Morphe as well as a brow cream as well. I never tried this one before. And then just a brow pencil in the shade Java. And that is all. I didn't go too crazy online as far as like makeup because I knew that I was going to be going to Ulta and they had pretty good deals. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below if you are excited for the future content that's to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.